Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app, and in today's tutorial I will show you on how to simply import phones from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app step-by-step guide tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to use 1688 Chinese shopping app to import phones from China, step-by-step guide. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my 1688 shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you search for the right goods you want. And there are so many ways to search for products on 1688 shopping app. And one of the easiest way to search for products on 1688 shopping app is to come to the top right here. So what you need to do is to simply type the product name right here. I'm going to type in Galaxy Ultra 25. I will hit on search. So just like so once you hit on search, you're going to see similar results of that particular keyword from different supplier, just like what you see right here. So from here you can choose any supplier right here. So like for instance, I'm going to click on this particular link right here and check on the detail of the product. I'm going to click on it. After you click on the product link, it's going to open up like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and check on the product detail, product graphics, just like what you see right here. You can see, so you can be sure of what exactly you are buying. And another thing you can do right here is to make sure that whatever phone you are buying is a global fashion. It's not a Chinese. And one of the best way to identify global fashion phone is that the phone is going to have Google, it's going to have Play Store, and it's going to have social media icon, because all these things here it's used in global fashion. So what you need to do is to scroll down and make sure you are sure of everything. And also the product description here is written in English language. So this is to tell you that any English country can use this particular phone right here. Once you are satisfied with the product detail and the likes, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to talk to the supplier. So I have already talked to the supplier about this particular phone, and they assure me that the product is available in store. So what we now want to do next now is to make sure we click on here to add the product to cart. So it's going to take you right here. So what I need here is UK fashion. I'm going to simply click on it, and I need just one piece of purple. I'm going to simply click on here to add one piece of purple color right here. So having had the purple color right there, now I'm going to click on here to add them to cart. After I successfully add the product to cart, I'm going to click on my cart here to check out. So here we go. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select the product, select the phone. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I'm going to enter my payment password right here. So payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this bump up. And I have to go back to my profile, go back. And for me to visit my profile, I need to simply click on this icon right here from the bottom side corner. Then it takes me right here. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So it's going to be found right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to use 1688 Chinese shopping app to order phones from China. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.